Find a suitable place close to the unit's water source. The mounting bracket should be installed approximately 5 feet from the floor. Be sure to use the proper length bracket for the install. If needed, the bracket can be snapped to a different length. Level the bracket and mark the screw hole spots. If needed, install optional mounting anchors, then drill in the screws to attach the bracket to the wall. Hang the cabinet on the bracket. An optional anchor and screw can be installed if needed. A short discharge tube is used for bottles, and a longer 6-foot tube is used for buckets. Trim the tubes if they are too long for your application. Reminder: never mount your concentrate container higher than the unit. Select up to 4 metering tips to use in the QDV valve. Push each tip firmly into a separate hose barb extending from the selector valve. The number on the side of the QDV valve corresponds to the numbers on the product selector level on the cover of the unit. Kindly refer to the following product selector diagram to see how the 4 low-flow adductors can be configured. Install 4 5.5-inch pre-cut lengths of tubing onto the 4 hose barb ports of the QDV valve. Insert 4 inline check valves, with arrows pointing toward the QDV valve, into the open ends of the pre-cut lengths of tubing. Cut the supply tubing provided into separate supply tubes for each product that will be dispensed. Push one end of the supply tube over the hose barb of the inline check valve. Slide the weight over the end of each tube, then install foot strainers on the ends of the supply tubes before placing them into the concentrate containers. Next, organize all the pickup tubes in a way that they won't interfere with daily operations. Snap the cover back onto the front of the unit, then attach the QDV selector and turn to click it into place. An optional hook may be installed at the bottom of the bucket discharge tube that allows it to hang from the dispenser when not in use. Connect the water supply hose of at least 3/8-inch inner diameter to the water inlet swivel. Turn on the water supply. Press the button to prime each pickup tube. To operate button fill units, depress the button to dispense product, and release the button to stop flow. To lock the button in the on position, first depress the button, then slide the button lock up. To unlock, depress button and release.